Good day everyone, I'm Lucille from Recess 4D. Today, I will discuss cover cropping and crop rotation. First, let's talk about what is cover cropping. So, cover cropping means growing crops such as legumes, grasses, or other plants in between periods of main cash crop production to cover the soil. Next, types of cover crops. There are different types of cover crop. First, leguminous crop. Second, grasses. Third, broadleaf crops. Leguminous crops such as clover and beet which fix nitrogen in the soil enriching its nutrient content. Second, grasses such as rye and oats which have dense root system that prevent erosion and improve soil structure. Lastly, broadleaf crops such as buckwheat and radishes which grow quickly and help suppress weeds while breaking up compacted soil. Now, let's move on to crop rotation. Crop rotation is the agricultural practice of planting different types of crops in the same fields in a specific sequence over different growing seasons. The main goal of crop rotation is to maintain soil nutrients, reduce pests and diseases, and improve crop yield. Next, there are common crop rotation patterns. In a 3-year rotation, farmers usually plant a grain crop like wheat or corn in the first year, followed by a legume such as soybeans in the second year, and then a root crop or another grain in the third year. In a 4th-year rotation, crops like grains, legumes, leafy vegetables, and root crops are planted in sequence so that no single crop type is grown repeatedly, which helps prevent soil exhaustion.